Hello, in front of me I've got Icar Pro 2S. In this video I'll show you how to perform acceleration test. In the beginning, make sure that your OBD interface is connected to your car. Then go to car scanner and next go to acceleration test. I'm using this app because it has most functions available for free. Here you can check acceleration time between 0-20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100 kilometers per hour up to 120. Next, you can check it between 100 to 200 kilometers or 80 to 120. You can also reset them by pressing these buttons here, or you can create new test. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.